Hey, what's up everyone? Today I will be opening up 3 packs of the newest Pokemon set, Destined Rivals. Now let's get into it. And now let's get into the first pack, and we'll open up the Ho-Oh pack to start it off with. And then I haven't opened Pokemon cards in a while, so I'm not sure if it's still the one card trick like it had been or what. So I'm just going to open the first pack like normal, even though I'm assuming it's the one card energy trick thing now. But to start it off, we got Heat Rotom, Marnie's Impidimp. I forgot they were going to start doing the trainer's name by the Pokemon again. That's a cool thing, though, to bring back, I should say. And we got Stroomish, Steven Skarmory, Heart Flame Mask Ogerpon. That's a pretty cool looking card. And we got Team Rocket's Botherbot. We got Cynthia's Milotic. We have Marnie's Liepard, Misty's Gyarados. Okay, so it is the one card trick, but to end off the pack, we got 2 Misty's Gyarados. That's unfortunate, but kind of funny to start off a Pokemon pack opening when I haven't done one in a while. Now we'll open up the Cynthia and Garchomp pack. And the one card I'm hoping to get, and I know it's very highly not likely to happen out of 3 packs, but I really want to pull that cool looking Giovanni and Mewtwo card. That card looks awesome, and I doubt I'll ever get it with how few Pokemon packs I open anymore. But if I did somehow manage to get that, that would be awesome. But onto the second pack, we got Water Energy, Mankey, Team Rocket's Mareep, Team Rocket's Tarantula, Team Rocket's Rattata, Ethan's Pinsir, Barraskewda, Team Rocket's Proton, Team Rocket's Pupitar. There's a lot of Team Rocket cards in this pack. Citadel, and a full art Mega EX. I'm just happy I got a full art out of the. I'm just happy I got a full art at least out of the 3 packs, and this is a cool looking one. And now the third and final really Team Rocket inspired looking artwork. Can we pull the one card I want to? Probably not, but I can hope so. But at the minimum, I'm hoping at least for another full art. We got Water Energy again, Swellow, Electabuzz, Cynthia's Roselia, Team Rocket's Porygon, Team Rocket's Watchtower, Shaman, Ethan's Adventure, Mo Rotom, Team Rocket's Venture Bomb, and it does look like another full art, and it is. We got a Arboliva EX. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's been a while with opening a pack at least. Well, I should say opening a Pokemon pack at least. So hope you enjoyed. See you next time.